waiting for you.
Hi Sandhya. Sorry for being late. I had an appointment with an officer from LIC.
It's okay. Oh, are you planning to take an insurance policy now?
Today, I had an interesting discussion with the officer about an investment opportunity. I found the plan to be very interesting. Shall I explain it to you?
Not now. I am really busy now. I shall come to your house in the evening. Let us have a detailed discussion there.
Okay, shall we leave?
Okay.
Please come, Sandhya. Please be seated. I shall bring coffee to you.
No, Jaya. I had a coffee just now from my office. You told me that you have something interesting to share with me.
Yes, Sandhya. It is about Jeevan Shanti, an investment plan from LIC.
Jaya, one of my properties near the market was disposed, and I was thinking of purchasing some land and constructing a building in it so that I can give it for rent. Well, let me know about your investment plan.
Jeevan Shanti is a single premium annuity plan where premium is paid only once and guaranteed lifelong annuity or pension is provided by LIC.
What is the interest offered in the scheme?
Interest and annuity are different. The interest rates can vary between 5.55% to 18.4% depending on the annuity options chosen. Let me get the brochure of Jeevan Shanti sent to my mail so that I can answer your queries better.
%5.5% is similar to the interest rates offered by the banks. Then, what is the advantage in your scheme?
The greatest difference in the lifelong guarantee available in Jeevan Shanti. The rate at which annuity provided now will be maintained throughout life irrespective of the external factors.
Oh, I see. The rate at which bank provides interest rates is liable to change in the future. You said interest rate up to 18.4 is available in Jeevan Shanti. How is it possible?
LIC has two investment options for annuities: immediate annuity and deferred annuity. In case of immediate annuity, annuity starts immediately after the lump sum investment. But in case of deferred annuity, pension starting year can be deferred by 1 to 20 years and the annuity rate at which lifelong annuity is received changes dramatically based on that.
Does the scheme have any death benefits?
It depends on the annuity option selected. The most popular option involves return of purchase price for the nominee in case of death.
What will happen if somebody opts for deferred annuity and dies before the pension gets started?
Purchase price plus accrued guaranteed additions will be paid on death during the deferred period. 110% of the purchase price is set as the minimum guaranteed death coverage.
This scheme sounds to be really interesting.
I shall give you an example of a 40-year-old person who invests 10 lakh amount in the scheme with a deferred period of 20 years. If the policyholder dies in the 19th year, the nominee is entitled to receive 32,77,728 as guaranteed additions along with purchase price of 10 lakhs. So the total amount received comes to 42,77,728. In terms of simple interest, the accretion rate works to 17.25%.
Do the proposer get risk coverage even during the annuity period?
The risk cover accrued in the form of guaranteed additions are carried over to the annuity period as well. Guaranteed addition gets reduced only by the pension paid to him.
Well, how do you compare Jeevan Shanti with constructing a building and giving it for rent?
Benefits of Jeevan Shanti can be compared with constructing a building or buying a flat and giving it for rent. This brochure explains it better.
Wow, dear Jaya, what you said is right. Jeevan Shanti is a great investment option. It is already late. Thank you, Jaya. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, Sandhya.